Hello friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing an Instagram birthday collaboration for Heidi at Skull Lover Nails. The theme was skulls with a funky background, and the hosts were Tinkerbell 1970s and Painted by Pinky. I'll have a link for everybody down on Instagram down below. I'm starting this one off. I've got my base coat going, and now I'm going to be using Bubble Freeze, and this one is a Sister Chic. Oh, God. Sister Chick lacquer. See, y'all, I got all messed up from my Sister Chic days. But this is Super Chick lacquer. And these are some of my favorites because they can be one-coaters and you can really control the polish and not make a mess all over the place. Of course, I did over there in the little corner right there. So, hi, Woody. How you doing? And clean that up a little bit. I am topping it with the Super Chick Macro Marble Top Coat. I save it and I only use it on these polishes. I am going to get my fridge here real quick. That's stunning. Camera don't do it justice. I am going to hop in and do a little bit of liquid latex around my fingernails. I'm going to do a gradient today. That's going to be my funky background. They suggested, you know, like water marble or cell manicures or smushies or just anything bright. They left it open to interpretation, which is good because I was feeling like a gradient. I'll be using all mixed up lacquers, and it's blue, and the yellow here is, oh my God, yellowed. I love these neons. I've got me a piece of a makeup sponge that I've cut down, and it is moistened. That helps make the sponge not soak up all the polish, and it also helps make the gradient a little bit smoother. And I'm just going to do the two colors today. My nails aren't like really long, so I'm just going to stick with the two colors, but it'll end up being three colors because it'll be, you know, yellow and blue make green. So here we go. We're going to get started. And I am doing it over silver just because, I don't like doing white underneath my gradients. I don't know what my problem is with that, but I just don't. I guess because the white, like when I go to do my cleanup, the white just jumps out. Like if I get carried away and pull some of the polish off, then you see that white jumping out from under there. I am just kind of dabbing and rocking it back and forth, moving it up and down just a little bit. I go in and reload that sponge several times and, just start on the next nail. Like here, I'm going to start on the pinky, and then I'm going to roll back around to that thumb. It's had a second or two to dry, and then we're going to reload again. And you just do this step until you're happy with the opacity of the colors. Now, I have sped this part of the video up to 1.5 times because this takes a minute. I'm not going to lie. It takes a minute. And if you forget the liquid latex or don't use tape or anything like that or any nail barriers, y'all, it'd be a mess. Like a big old mess. So, I am bumping on through it. A lot of times when I do my manicures, I just show me doing like one finger. But on a gradient, I can't really do that because I do all the nails kind of at the same time. I'm rolling through them. And, it didn't work for the onesies. Going back through, kind of dabbing those tips to make sure the tips got some. I might use my little tweezers to try to help me get this latex off. Now, I've already gotten it off the rest of my fingers. But here we go with this one. My accent nail. They're all accent nails to me, y'all. You know that. I got a little piece sticking down here. I had to refill my little nail polish bottle with the brush with the big tub of latex from Amazon or eBay or wherever I get it. I think this time I might have gotten it from Amazon. So there we go. We've got our latex off, and now I'm going to pop in with my cleanup brush. And this is pure acetone. I didn't even use the one with additive in it today. I don't know why. I guess because that was just sitting out closer. Do try to make sure to get up under there, because I always get stuff under the nails too. I'm going to top it now with I&M's Out the Door. This is going to smooth it out, make it dry down. And that is a funky background. Got the yellow and green and blue. Capping that free edge again. Ta-da! Yes, yes. Now I gotta get Woody back out here because I gotta get that blob of clear out from under my nail. I'll be using Beauty Big Bang XL013 today, I think. I don't know. And my scraper from H. La Costadora. And today's stamper is my Bundle Monster Monocle stamper. And here we go. I'm going to use different skull images. Got to use skulls if you're doing it for skull lever nails. And so I just found a plate that had a whole bunch of different skulls on it. And it's been a minute since I've used a Beauty Big Bang plate. Now, I'm a huge fan of Beauty Big Bang. I've got so much that I have to work my way through them, and it's kind of like a surprise every time. It's like, oh, look at this one, when I go digging through my plates. But I do, Beauty Big Bang's got some really nice quality products, and I am a fan. So, like I said, I'm going to do just all sorts of different skull images. I didn't want everyone to be exactly the same. I wanted to play with this plate. And so far, I am really enjoying it. I was excited about this prompt, and I thought about doing a water marble, but I just kind of ran out of time, and gradient was much faster for me. So there we go. And then I'm going to use this one over here in the corner. And it's got a lot of open space, so I'm going to have to be careful with my scraping here. Did pretty good, I think. I think we're going to be able to use that one. Yep, I'm going to put that over here on the pinky. Ta-da! Alrighty, for the last one, this one kind of reminded me of The Mask with Jim Carrey. One of the images, or a piece of the image, just really reminded me of that with the hat. I guess that's what it was. You know, crazy old hat. And yes, I did watch that. I had kids that loved that movie way back in the day. So I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get some of this excess up off of my skin. Heidi, if you get to see this, I hope you had a wonderful birthday or having a wonderful birthday. And for my friends that are watching this, I will have links down below for all of the participants over on Instagram. I don't know how many of them will do videos. Maybe not many, if any. But I always record all of my manicures. So this one's going to be here, but it was for Instagram. Just trying to clear things up. And I did quite a bit of, look, I'm about to knock that over. I did quite a bit of Instagram collabs. I don't know how I got on the loop, but I'm really enjoying it because I like having themes and ideas and things to get me started, get me into a manicure. I'm going to use the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat to go over this manicure real quick and make sure that I seal those stamped images in. Look at that. That's the one. And then I'm going to top it off with Posh. So that's the one with the hat that made me think it was like The Mask. So this here is my manicure, my contribution to Heidi's Instagram birthday collab. I hope you enjoyed it. So here is a swatch photo of my manicure. And that'll be it for me today. I hope you enjoyed it all. I want to thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.